JDCap26 here for tips and repairs and hobbies. And these are the containers and things you need to clean your airbrush. And you want to start with the blue container, this one right here. That's Windex. And you put that in the bowl of your airbrush. And you rinse it out with this right here. This is a brush, okay? You just push it around like that. And I don't know if I can see where, a little hole there. This is a little Chinese container, and I cut a hole in it. So put this in, rinse it with the brush, and then you pour it in here a couple times. You do that twice, and then you go to the water and do it with the brush, dump it in here, and then you put the Windex in, and then you start spraying it through the spray container right here. Okay, so you do that until it comes clean, the airbrush. You may have to pull the needle on the airbrush and clean the needle, and you do that several times. So there's water in this Purell thing, Windex in here. This is a Chinese container with just an old brush with a hole in it, and there's a hole here, and your spray out container right here. That's what you need to clean your airbrush. I hope this helps you. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 items here. The Chinese container you can get right at a Chinese restaurant if you like. You just cut a half moon in it and put cut a little X in there for the brush. And I just put them way to the side and use them that way. So this is where you want to be proficient in cleaning your airbrushes. I hope you have a nice day. I hope you rate and subscribe and give me the thumbs up. Please ring the notification bell when you can. And we'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.